Hi, I'm Patrick Renard. So in this short video, I'm going to show you how to start your own small business from home. That's exactly what I've been doing for the last 20 years. I'm going to share 5 important factors with you that I've actually utilized as a good starting point when determining, what company and what products and services would I market. And so what I want to share with you are these 5 factors. Actually, these 5 things are very prominent and very consistent with 3 very successful entrepreneurs: Donald Trump, Robert Kiyosaki, and also Warren Buffett. And so what they've shared in their books is, 5 things to consider before going to work for another company and marketing their company's products and services. Number 1, you have to make sure that the company's solid and well funded. The last thing you want to do is go to work for a company just to find out later they were undercapitalized and they could not afford to pay their own bills. Kind of a startup, if you would. So you want to make sure that the company is at least 5 years old. If possible, the best scenario, according to these 3 gentlemen, is a 10-year-old company, and preferably publicly traded if possible. Number 2, you want to make sure that the companies properly position themselves in front of a major economic trend or some sort of vertical movement in the economy. The last thing you want to do, again, is start marketing a product that's in a stagnant or actually in an industry that's in decline. Number 3, you want to have a company that's offering a product or a service with mass appeal. This is something that everybody needs or something everybody's already using. Again, you don't want a product with a very limited demographic. It's very difficult to be able to market to a limited demographic. So, number 4, you want a lucrative compensation plan. So you got to ask yourself, is this company going to pay you what your time and your energy is worth? And so you got to decide for yourself, how much time you're going to put in, and will they pay you the equivalent of what your time is worth. And number 5, is the opportunity affordable for everyone? See, because one of the keys to being successful in operating your own home-based business is to be able to duplicate yourself or replicate what you're doing and share with other people to be able to do the same thing so you can expand your distribution network. These 5 things have helped me become, successfully independent financially for the last 20 years. I've helped thousands of other people also make a good income from home. A lot of people make $500–600 a month. Many more make thousands of dollars a month. Some I've helped go on to replace their job income, and all they do now is live on a passive residual income, all from starting their home-based business. Now, if you're just getting started and you're not sure what to do next, now that I've given you some research to do, you could actually click on one of the links right below you. Either waga.com, wwaga.com, or myverticalmove.com. Either one, I'll share with you some more detail on what company I've chosen to be able to market products and services for currently. I can tell you this company right now is being compared to Google, Microsoft, and Facebook. It's 12 years old, it's publicly traded, and it's global. They operate in every country around the world. They have 17 different languages they support and multiple different currencies. So it's the perfect business in 2015. So I hope this has been helpful. Again, if you think this has been helpful, if you don't mind, just click on the link right below you and like our video. And also, if you'd like to share it with other people on Facebook and Twitter, that's awesome as well. We appreciate your time. And again, click on one of the 2 links below. See what I'm up to, and that might be a fit for you. I hope to see you in the next video.